Counting is an interesting discipline of math. To an elementary school student, it is a trivial topic, but to a high school student or undergrad or professional, it is an art form that contains many subtle intricacies and is both technically demanding as well as intellectually challenging. If you have younger siblings, you can ask them the question, "What is counting?" And they'll likely respond with, "Well, counting is counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, skip a few, 99, 100. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. And to younger siblings, they really believe that is what counting is about. But as we grow older, we gradually learn that counting is not as easy as we had originally believed it to be. What is a reasonable estimate of the smallest number of prime numbers between 100,000 and 1 trillion? How many ways can we get a full house when playing poker? How many ways can atoms be rearranged in a molecule? Which is important because certain rearrangements are harmful, whereas others are beneficial. Or, what is the greatest amount of time it takes to decode computer information if, say, we know that it takes X amount of time to enter one passcode? On surface level, counting, also known as combinatorics, seems pretty easy, but when we dive into the mathematics part, the rigorous part of combinatorics, things change. It's a hard topic. True, most of us don't do combinatorics on a daily basis, but many of the devices we use every day, such as computers, were designed with counting principles in mind. So, although we don't explicitly see combinatorics every day, it's still there, and if you have a webcam, it sees you. Combinatorics is also related to numerous other disciplines of math, including, but not limited to, get ready, statistics, probability, graph theory, number theory, group theory, representation theory, symmetric functions, fields, spaces and subspaces, sequence and series, differential equations, algebra, topology, analysis, optimization. Yeah, you get the point. Combinatorics has a lot of brothers and sisters. This series of tutorials will help you learn some of the fundamental concepts of combinatorics. Sometimes you may find the concepts super easy, other times you'll find them convoluted and you'll feel frustrated that you don't understand. But don't worry, because that's supposed to happen. It's part of the learning process. This is by no means an easy topic to learn, because you actually have to think a lot and really see in your mind's eye why and how everything works. I strongly encourage you to do as many practice questions as possible and make sure that you know what the answers are. If you're ever having difficulties, you should ask someone for help. You can ask me, a friend, teacher, parent, or even a textbook. For most people, combinatorics is not easy. I just want to point this out. It may even be compared to climbing a tall mountain. But once you begin to truly understand and grasp its core fundamentals, you will have found that climbing the mountain of combinatorics has been a very rewarding journey, and will continue to be one if you choose to continue. Let's get started.